So now let's take a look at how to manage the different pages on your website. Let's scroll all the way up to the navigation menu, which we can see up here. This is where the website visitors will be able to navigate to different pages on your website. Now, when we come over here and click on Pages and Menu, this is where we can manage our pages. Now here I notice that there are some pages that I don't need on my website, like for example, this Order Online page. So to get rid of this page, we can just click on these three dots and then click on Delete and confirm. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this Ordering page 1, delete and confirm, and then go back to the pages. So now these are the links that will be shown in the navigation menu all the way here at the top of the page. Now our story is a separate page, menu is also a separate page, and then here next to reservations and contact, we can see this anchor icon. This means that this is just a specific section on the home page. And when people click on this link in the navigation menu right here, then they will automatically scroll down to this specific section on the page. Now, to edit any of the other pages on your website, you can simply navigate to them by clicking right here. And then you can navigate to the Our Story page, for example. And then you can make any change right here by just clicking on the elements and then changing the text or replacing the images however you like. Now to add a completely new page to your website, we want to come back to the Pages and Menu tool right here. And then we want to click on Add Page here at the top. Then we can either start with a blank page by clicking on this button, or we can use one of the templates for different types of pages. Now in my example, I'm going to simply add a page talking about the events that have been held in this Italian restaurant I'm building a website for. So I think a good template would be here under projects. And then here I'm going to use this template. So I'm going to click on Add Page. And now this page will be added to our website and we can rename the page right here. So I'm going to name this Events and click Done. And now this link was automatically added to the navigation menu. And we can see that right here in the menu. Now we can also rearrange the order. So if you want to have that at the end of the navigation menu, we can just move that all the way here at the end. And then we can just click into this page and customize the content.